snow. We're missing one
You
person.
are early.
Yeah.
You lost somebody already?
Yeah.
Oh, we're not sure.
You only dove once and you lost somebody.
Yeah. We haven't even been diving and we lost somebody. And here is the person that has Friday off.
Mexico.
It's here, like, scene.
This is our cutting table. This once we sell all our suits to Jenny. We get the orders come through here at production, and all the materials rolled out. There's suits we're kind of making on the table here. This is Luda. Inventory QC. Thanks, Luda.
She's good.
Yeah. So they program everything into these computers over here, all the up, and then this thing just takes the orders from the computer. Little, I guess, knife down there just cuts up patterns, and away they go. So they just grab all the materials off the shelves, roll it out, and they used to do everything by hand back in the day. Not so efficient.
Not anymore.
And here is the person that has Friday off.
Mexico.
Yeah. Leak test area.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. The leaky test. I want no leakage. How are you?
Hello, Sarah. How you doing? So this is QC and testing.
So who has to lay in here?
So then after they're cut here, everything comes in bags over here. Kind of our pressure area for zippers and then straps. Good morning, ladies. Hello. Everything comes in
Oh, the sweatshop.
This is Rob Mark, our production manager. What is my bad magic, Rob? How's it going, guys?
Doing good.
This is the guy that gets your suits to you on time.
Try.
As much credit as I try and take, it's actually all this guy.
That's all you does.
I know.
all you.
I steal the thunder when I can.
And here is the person that has Friday off.
Mexico. Ah, you remember? That's all the dead ones.
So don't take those.
There's our regulars from our regular trading.
Or were you checking us with somebody?
These are the guys that get you yourself.
So you guys are the reason I got that extra.
Ooh.
This is Man
The
Cave.
Frank White Man Cave.
This is the Frank Friday Hangout.
This is where all the bad guys.
We're
We're in the right place then.